another one, another great one. Matter of fact, another repeat, but this time me and his favorite.
Yo, what's good? What's good? We here, JR. This is lit.
Yeah. Fuck, I keep fucking up the name, but I'm not hiding it. It's the product. So, we had Chelsea, but tell us about it.
Pretty much this event is about, just bringing artists together. You know what I mean? Like, it's one thing to just have a showcase where you just grab it and you go home. You know what I'm saying? I'm just trying to create an experience. You can come in and it's like a one-stop shop. You can play your music. You can be more intimate with your crowd. You know what I'm saying? It's not really a performance. You can play your music unreleased, explain what it is. You know what I'm saying? We got to interview as soon as you get off. You know what I'm saying? Just try to make sure you feel it.
Listen, I love this type of events because honestly, not to knock it, but 100 niggas performing is kind of getting, annoying. I like this vibe that's gonna happen. Like, I like what I see so far. I like the way it's gonna be set up. I can sit right here and still hear the music from the person that's going. I don't really have to be right in front of them. I can just vibe and chill. You can play in the background of my head. Now I'm like, oh shit, what's that? And let me relax. So, what do you expect to see?
I expect to see a good mixture of everything, you know what I mean? Where it's like, we're accommodating everybody, every creative, you know what I mean? So I expect to see podcasting and artists and producers, engineers, photographers, you know what I mean? All under one roof, able to participate, you know what I'm saying?
Shit like this is so good for the culture, man. It's so good for our state, especially because we gotta start branching out and reaching out to each other and create our own market rather than trying to be accepted in other markets. Copy of the market.
Exactly. It's so much talent out here, bro. It's like if everybody would have come together, bro, this would be a whole different state. You know what I'm saying? Like, there's so much talent out here. People gotta come to this state to get picked. So why we not getting? Why we not getting with here right now? You know what I'm saying?
Yeah, like. So what is the difference? Because I know you had your time in New York, so that's where you're originally from. But what is the difference you see from out here and why a state like Connecticut doesn't have that big market?
I feel like it's just honestly what I just realized is the fact that there's really no music scene. You know what I mean? In terms of there's music out here, but they're not getting opportunities to really showcase the music. They go showcase every week in their local town, performing in front of the same people. But if we was doing bigger events and more often, the way we do parties out here, bro, we used to be the they want this. You know what I'm saying? That's why it's so packed now.
In fact, there is good. I walked in,
hungry,
it wasn't that many, and then like 10 minutes later, there's people started walking in.
They're hungry. They want this, bro. Even if you're not coming here to perform or anything like that, you still can come here and see. Any artist can come sit down with you. You know what I'm saying? And everybody's getting this order. I'm getting the show. They get the show right here. We got y'all in Hartford. Another one from New Haven and Bridgeport. So it's 3 different cities, 3 different podcasts, and everybody, let's bring everyone together.
Okay, I like that. Yo, we appreciate you for doing this event. You are one of a kind, and you and your business partners.
Appreciate it.
Appreciate y'all. Let them know where you find you, and let them know where you can find this. Even though it's going on right now.
It's a sound check. It's a sound check. You know what I mean? Nigga Gerald, this is lit with 2 T's. Please add me, follow me for more events. We're gonna do this next month. Got another event coming on the 15th. I'm gonna tell you about that.
Oh, it's just back to back on crazy, bro. Listen, I have one more question, but I can't remember. Either way, this will be the Whiskey Podcast. I haven't smoked yet, so I'm forgetting everything.
You about to get lit.
Exactly.
Got one cup.
Exactly. Stay tuned. More vibes coming.